Yo, what's up sa mga kabalbas ko dyan? Kabalbas, back at it for another reaction video. Actually, ang tagal ko nang hindi gumagawa ng reaction video and I was so busy, super busy, and na-curious lang ako while I'm in the meeting kanina sa church. May nagsabi sa akin sa one of my videos, nag-comment na, Kuya, na extra ka sa video ni Kuya Chuck. Which is hindi ko pa sure kung saan dito, pero ito yung latest niya, yung SB19 and reactors in a dark fantasy film. So kanina while in the meeting, iniano ko siya, forward ko plus 10. Wala naman ako nakikitang abs dato doon na may balbas na animated to eh. So actually hindi ko siya kasi napapakinggan, hindi ako naka-bluetooth kanina. So sabi ko, okay, check ko na lang sa bahay when I got home. So eto na, Alternate Universe. Okay, so ayoko nang basahin muna yung description. Gusto ko muna ng surprise. So let's go.
Oh yeah.
What's up mga kalbas ko dyan? Kabalbas. Back at it.
Tutorial.
Back at it. Back at it.
Come on.
SB19 in a medieval dark fantasy film. Interesting, isn't it? Well, in this video, we are doing just that. Now a quick disclaimer, everything in this video are a work of fiction. The quality of the art might not be perfect, especially the faces and the hands, because I used the help of an AI. So please don't hate me for that, okay?
Oh,
Anyway, let's get into it.
wow, bro Chuck, no you
Long
didn't.
time ago, there was a small kingdom on an island in the Philippines. It was called the Kingdom of the 18. The name
Kingdom
came
of the-
from the 18 brave warriors who sacrificed their lives to free the island from the
Okay,
murderous
wait lang ha. Dito pa lang, i-compliment ko na si Brother Chuck. Ang ganda ng pasok ng narration niya and yung music background, napaka-akmang-akma niya pare. So, dito pa lang na-catch na yung attention ko kung anong story to. And honestly talaga, hindi ko nakita yung mukha ko kanina kasi animated to. Parang, asan ako doon? Bakit ako na-extra? So, nakita ko rin sa mga ano na tignan muna natin.
dragon. He was called the Bakunawa.
Wala kasi akong Bluetooth kanina. Kasi meeting, nakakaya kung
the
magput
people
ako
of the
ng
kingdom
Bluetooth.
started living peacefully off of farming grains and animals while being ruled by the 19th brave warrior and the only survivor from 3 years ago. His name is King Uz. He got married and he loved his queen with
Si
all of his
Uzi yun,
heart
di ba?
as much as he loved his kingdom. And that love
so
bore fruit as the
so
queen
anime
got
din ako?
pregnant after a year. On the night when she gave birth, the worst thing happened. The birth of the prince was successful, but the queen did not survive.
Oh.
But she was able to name the prince before she took her last breath. Philip, my son, she whispered. The king was devastated.
Oh, kamukha nga niya.
And to make matters even worse, the people witnessed a huge
Wait.
dragon that
Wait lang. Exciting. Wait lang. Ano magiging mukha ko rito? Chuck, bro, you better, bro. Exciting to, okay.
suddenly attacked the queen's chamber. In just a matter of seconds,
Ano ako,
it
forward ako ng
wiped out
forward. Wala naman
everybody
ako
in the
doon. Wala
castle,
naman ako
including
mukha.
the people in the vicinity. It turned the peaceful kingdom into a living hell.
So buti na lang talaga hindi ko rin
But
pinakinggan
now
na nasa Bluetooth
was
ko.
back. Later that same night, an exhausted woman who could barely walk was spotted from afar outside a distant tavern.
Who's that Pokemon?
The owner of the place, Mr. Tomsky, saw her.
Tomsky?
She was full of burns and looked very weak, so he immediately took
Isa rin
her
sa reactors
inside
yun?
and he noticed that something
Hindi ko
was
pa kasi
on.
binasa yung
She was
description guys.
carrying
Gusto ko ng
a baby.
element of surprise.
And not just some ordinary baby, because it just so happened that it was Prince Philip.
Oh.
He survived
Okay,
the
wait lang ha. Check ko lang muna kung kailan na-upload to. January 27. Ano bang date ngayon? 29. 2 days na to? Oh, shucks. Ganun na ako ka-busy. Sorry bro, pero interesting tong ginawa mo. This is so cool, bro. Okay.
The woman's
Ang
help
cool
was the
niya, pare.
queen's elite guard. Her name is April.
Aprilin.
She managed to snatch the prince while the
I don't
dragon
know
was
her.
busy on its rampage. She reported that everybody in the castle was dead, including the king. Mr. Tomsky's son, Pablo,
Oh,
the bartender,
ang
was the
taray ng
first
book
one
ni
to
Pablo,
notice
pre,
what was
astig.
happening. He's a genius
Oh.
alchemist with a secret that was passed down by the family's previous generations.
This is so cool.
It also piqued
Whoa,
Josh's
bro.
interest.
Wait lang. Bro, Josh, if you are watching this, bro, you better copy that arms, that shoulder. Oh. Grabe.
Man who
Okay.
survived the bear attack as a toddler. He has a gift of superhuman strength paired with
You know,
great patience and
bagay niyo.
calmness. The commotion wasn't overlooked by the skilled silent assassin either, Justin, who was barely visible in one corner. He got his first kill at 7 years old on a bandit who tried to rape his mom while harvesting corn.
Wow.
A corn knife on the bandit's throat was all it took for the young Justin to end him.
Ooh.
His mom then rewarded him with a pet for saving her. He named it Saoirse. So going back, the rest of the people in the tavern were shocked as soon as they realized
Casual
that
Jack.
the Queen's royal
Si
guard
Casual Jack
arrived
yun.
with the newborn prince.
What's this really about?
Dennis?
What's this really about?
Oh my god!
Caitlin.
Bro, are you tripping?
Herrera siblings. Ah, yung ano na to.
Yo! Kumusta?
Oh, Bella!
Maligayang pagbabalik.
What was I about to say?
Ari. TV.
Cause we
Josh and Lucas.
You know what? Wait, guys.
Jessica Wonder. I know
Let's just
that.
take a moment here, okay?
don't sound right.
Yeah.
Don't sound
hindi ko
right.
kilala to.
I ain't gonna lie.
Oh! I knew it. Anyway, astig yun. I like it. Chuck, bro. I've been looking kanina. Paano ako na extra dito? Okay, now I can read the description na. Okay. Shout out to these awesome reactors by order. Ah, okay, nakatag pala kami. Ba't hindi nag-notify sa akin? Okay, I love it. Ang astig ng ko dun ah. Okay, tinarin natin.
Can someone explain this to me? What is this for?
Hindi ko na
I've
kilala
never
yung
seen
iba.
anything like this. This is the first time I've seen something.
You know what I'm saying? That shit, they going crazy out here.
The people in the place went back and forth trying to decide who should take care of
Nice
the
one,
prince.
Chuck.
Everyone was simply trying to avoid the responsibility until Mr. Tomsky suggested that it had to be the
Tomsky.
Jojo family. Joe is a mage while Jude is a hunter, and they have the
sorry,
teenage
guys.
son, Stel, who can do both plus the ability to suppress the biggest beasts with his voice. They were perfect to look after
Ay,
Philip
grabe,
to make him a
yun.
capable prince in the future to reclaim his throne in the castle where the vicious dragon Bakunawa already lives.
Ang
He
astig.
underwent intense training under the guidance of Stel and his skillful friends. When Philip was 13, he found a kitten that instantly became his companion. He named it Kuro.
Kuro.
On a normal training day with Stel and
Whoa!
Justin, a huge
Ang
dragon
pogi ni-
flew over them and headed straight to the tavern. It was the Bakunawa. They hurried back to the tavern only to witness the dragon at a distance while it was burning the place to the ground. They also saw Pablo finally revealing his true form and an
Whoa.
injured Josh trying to withstand the burning nightmare. The rest of the people were either eaten or severely injured. As soon as they arrived, Stel jumped in and used his power to temporarily suppress the dragon, and Justin immediately attacked it using throwing knives, but the Bakunawa's scales were too thick to be effective. It eventually broke through the spell by letting out a massive roar of fire which went directly in Prince Philip's direction. It was a direct hit. But the fire didn't burn him. He appeared to have transformed into a half-dragon and acquired the ability to control fire.
Wow, okay, wait lang. Bro, Chuck, yung pag-put up mo ng mga background music, napaka-timing niya. Alam mo yun kung kailan yung ano ba, yung ang tawag doon. yung tema na rin ng scene na nahihit ng mga background music, which is nakakaano talaga, nahuhook ka talaga, makukot yung attention mo na, okay, let me watch this, parang interesting, parang ganun ako, totally ngayon, ganun yung ano, kasi I'm not into this, kind of, pero, bro, parang, you got me, okay.
Prince jumped high to punch the Bakunawa in the face and performed the barrage of attacks again and again to eventually defeat it. After the explosion, the dragon transformed into a human being, and it turns out that it was the king all this time. After he defeated the 18 brave warriors years ago, he couldn't fight anymore, so he shapeshifted into a human to recover. But instead of transforming back, he decided to stay as he fell in love with the queen. But her death drove him mad and turned him back into his true form, which inflicted the kingdom with a lot of death and despair.
Wow.
Before the king's last breath, he apologized to Prince Philip.
Tapos na. Wow. Okay, it's done. Bro, casual shop. You know what? Eto talaga yung line mo. Nasabi ko na dati to eh. Yung first reaction ko ng documentary mo. Yeah, first. Oo, sabi ko eto yung line mo talaga. Bro, sinabi ko na kanina na I'm not into this type of pero alam mo yun, ang galing mong ikot yung attention namin. Parang, okay. Wow, so ganun pala. Okay, more. Panoorin ko pa nga more. Parang interesting. Parang ganun na ganun ako kanina. And I like yung ko yung animated version ko ano bang may tawag animation ba to? Anime ba to? May ba bang tawag? May iniisip akong term na iba pero anyway, thank you so much. And sa nagsabi sa akin na extra ako kanina, as in sa meeting, talagang ini-scroll ko, if forward ko, wala ako nakitang abs dato doon. And yun, nakatag pala sa akin, but walang notification. Anyway, thank you so much for doing this casual chat. Ang galing mo, bro! Panoorin ko ulit, para magets ko yung istorya. Nakilig ako sa itsura ko, parang astig na astig ako doon. So, thank you so much for watching. Kamalbas signing out, baby.